Hello everybody, I am Doodle and I stopped making videos because I was sick of it, but I kept drawing because I love drawing. So now today in this video I'm gonna show you something different from manga character because I wanted to draw a doodle. So this is my doodle and I'm gonna show you in different pictures, and watch it carefully because it's amazing. I really love it, maybe it's my best drawing. Raga, io sono italiano e ho deciso di fare questo video in inglese, parlando inglese perché volevo fare il figo. Che poi direte, ma chi cazzo è sto Matsudato? Nemmeno io lo so. E niente, basta, adesso vi lascio il video, mi raccomando vedetelo perché è bello, non ve ne pentirete. E io dovevo fare il video in inglese.
So, now, enough talking, cause it's time to roll the video. And that's it.
There is nothing I would ever change. Everything is more than words could say. And I can feel beyond what's real, an endless joy in all the noise. I can't expect any more than this inside. This is the happy life. The happy life is all I want. Filled with hope, no love is lost.
Hey, as you could see, it was not my doodle. It was just a bonus drawing I wanted to put on my video, but now here's my doodle. You can trust me.
I can fantasize of better things. It will never change reality. And I can feel beyond what's real, an endless joy in all the noise. I can't expect any more than this inside. This is the happy life. The happy life is all I want. Filled with hope, no love is lost.
See? I told you could trust me. In fact, I showed you my real doodle and I used to call it as my Parrot doodle. It's amazing. Don't you think so?
I don't really know how many times I said doodle in this video, what the fuck?
So, this is the end of my video. I really hope you liked it. If you did, please share it everywhere. Now I'll go back listening to Kurt Cobain music and you should do the same. Oh guys, you gotta know that if I didn't show myself in my video, it's because I'm pretty much shy. But if you really wanna see my face on my next video, you can let me know by leaving a comment below. So choice is yours.